Hey garden friend, welcome back to Decoded Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the soil doctor and today I'm tackling a question I get all the time. Are coffee grounds actually good for your garden? Well, yes and no. It really depends on how you use them. Let's break it down so you can avoid trouble and brew up better soil. Myth number 1, coffee grounds are great for all plants. Not quite. See, coffee grounds pack a punch of nitrogen, but they're also pretty acidic and dense. If you just dump them on top of your soil, they can clump together, block water, and make your soil too acidic. That can actually stunt seedlings and delicate roots. But used the right way, they're a fantastic slow-release fertilizer and soil conditioner. So how do you use them smartly? First, compost them. This is the best move. Mix your used grounds into your compost bin with dry browns like shredded leaves, paper, or straw. Don't let those grounds make up more than 20% of your pile. They'll heat up your compost fast, which is awesome for a cold pile. Second, mix them right into your soil, but just a little at a time. A thin handful blended into your garden beds is perfect. That way, the grounds break down gradually and feed the soil microbes without overwhelming your plants. Third, mulch, but carefully. If you want to use coffee grounds as mulch, always mix them with other stuff like dry leaves, wood chips, or straw. Straight grounds can mat up and block moisture from getting to your plants. Now, what plants actually like coffee grounds? Acid-loving ones like blueberries, azaleas, hydrangeas, and potatoes. Most garden vegetables actually prefer neutral soil, so use coffee grounds in moderation unless you've checked your soil's pH and know it can handle a little acidity. Bonus benefits: earthworms love coffee grounds. They'll help attract those little soil engineers to your garden. Some pests, like ants, slugs, and even neighborhood cats, don't like them, so you might see fewer unwanted visitors. And over time, coffee grounds add organic structure to heavy soils. Here's a pro tip: dry them out first. Used coffee grounds can go moldy fast, so before storing or spreading, dry them on a tray in the sun or in your oven on low heat. Dry grounds store better and won't clump up in your garden beds. So, bottom line, coffee grounds can be a fantastic soil amendment, but only if you use them thoughtfully. Think of them as a powerful ingredient, not the main dish. Compost them, mix them in lightly, and give your soil a steady boost, not a caffeine crash. If this helped you decode the dirt, hit that like button and subscribe to Dirt Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor and I'll see you in the next one.